Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1965 Mustang. We're gonna be doing a walk around on, pointing out any kind of flaws. This one here is believed to be 289 under the hood. This is a 4-speed car, black with the red interior. The paint on this thing looks awesome, but we're gonna get up close and personal. Any kind of flaws that I see, I will point out. This has got dual exhaust kicked out the back. Be looking for that test drive video as well. I'll post that along with every car. Usually it's the last 30 seconds of the video here. It'll pop up down on the right corner. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. We're gonna get started here, and it definitely helps us out greatly when y'all share these videos. Going over to maplemotors.com, I have financing, shipping, 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Coming around the front end here, you can tell the front bumper has been replaced. It looks like the grille is fairly new as well. It's very clean looking. I like to run down the lower panels, pointing out all the flaws first, because that's usually where they all pop up. We're gonna go over the fenders here. You can see there's a few bubbles on the edge of that fender. Checking the lower parts of the doors. When I come back to midsection, the door handle has been replaced on this one. It's nice and clean. Same with those mirrors. I'm not seeing too many chips in this paint. Coming back to top section. Front windshield's in good shape. Seal looks like it's fresh. A lot of the trim's been replaced. The edge there could have been done better, but still in pretty good shape. All right, we're gonna hit this back end. Tell that back bumper's been replaced. Tail lights are in pretty good shape. We're gonna do the same thing on the driver's side here. We're gonna run down the lower panels looking for any kind of issues. Tires are in great shape on this car as well. Wiping dirt off, thinking it scratches, but it's not. A little bit of a blemish here. And down here at the bottom, well, a little scuff. Up in the corner here, we've got some chips going on. Vent window looks good, mirrors look good. All the trim is in great shape. A little thick here, could be tightened up a little closer around the trim on the back window. A little thick here as well. You can tell they redid the seals. It must have had some older seals in it, maybe older windows. Maybe they replaced the front and rear window. You see this one's got aluminum heads, power steering. The chrome power steering pump's been added. The brakes have been upgraded. All the pulleys in the front are high dollar. They're the nice pulleys. polished aluminum down there. Looks awesome. All right, we're gonna go ahead and jump on the interior. Actually, before we do that, I'm gonna grab the keys and pop the trunk. Door opens nice and smooth. There we go. Had to jiggle it. The jam's in pretty good shape. Weather stripping around the trunk lid is fairly new. Package tray looks good. Set of speakers in the back here. Gonna have to firmly shut this. There we go. One thing I do notice is the trunk is hanging a little bit over here on the edge. It's out of adjustment. And it looks decent on this side. It could be moved over a bit. Coming up on the door panel, it's in great shape. This car looks awesome. I love the color choice. Red interior is pretty awesome to me. Weather stripping looks good around the window. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this? It's a game we like to play on the channel. And this one smells like pretty much new carpet. I think that's probably one of the most recent things that's been replaced. It looks awesome. Let's jump in here and check everything out. So I noticed they got a key ring full of keys, but none of them are cut except for this one. Let's go ahead and start it up. Try the radio out. Radio's not cutting on. It's gonna need to be replaced. It is the old school solid states. Blower motor is kicking on. We should have some heat in this one. Our gauges are coming up. Temperature gauge is working. Amps are working. Here's the mileage. I cannot stand behind that mileage. This is a 65 model. Oil pressure is up. The fuel gauge is not. We will stop and get gas for sure. Tilt column works. Ooh, did you hear that? I gave it away. Think the horn works? It does. Wipers working. Awesome sound to it. Good deal. Dash is in good shape. Headliner's nice and clean. All right, let's jump out of here and listen to this motor. Motor's nice and quiet. Very responsive. Coming down with the hood. See, it comes down pretty easy and locks. And it lines up pretty good. All right, guys, I do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out. But for now, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots, and also on the test drive video, I lay a light down and drive over the camera and illuminate the whole entire undercarriage of every car that we get through here. So make sure you check both videos out and detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. All right, we're gonna get these shots all the way around the car. Let's look under. A lot of new stuff under here. Don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos almost every day. With your help and all y'all sharing these videos, it's helped us out greatly. Got us over 200,000. Let's try for 3. That's our next goal, and I hope we hit it quick. I'm gonna keep these videos rolling for you, post as many as I can, and we'll always have something for sale up here at Maple Motors. So definitely check out that website. I do have financing, I do have shipping, and every Monday we update with new cars, so definitely go over there and check that out. I appreciate y'all riding along with me and hanging out with me today. Make sure to check that test drive out. See y'all later.